Unlock seamless global payouts for your Amazon sales by linking your Payoneer account. Let's get this done in under 2 minutes. First, log into your Amazon Seller Central account, navigate to the top right corner, and click on the Settings drop-down menu. From the Settings options, select Account Info. On the Account Info page, locate the Payment Information section. You'll see an option to add or manage payment methods or a similar prompt. Click on that. Now, you'll be presented with options to add a payment method. Choose to add a bank account or a similar option indicating where you want your funds disbursed. This is where you'll enter your Payoneer account details. You'll need your Payoneer registered bank account information, including the bank name, your account number, and the relevant routing or SWIFT BIC codes. To find these details, log into your Payoneer account, navigate to your account overview or payment services section. Within Payoneer, you'll find your specific bank account details for receiving payments. These are the credentials you need to input into Amazon Seller Central. Carefully copy and paste your Payoneer bank name, account number, and routing SWIFT codes into the corresponding fields on Amazon Seller Central. Double check for any typos. Once you've entered all the information, click Submit or Continue. Amazon will then verify this new bank account. Congratulations, your Payoneer account is now linked to your Amazon Seller account, ensuring your earnings are dispersed efficiently and with fewer conversion fees. Happy selling.